breaking news that's coming in right now. First pictures of Prime Minister Modi receiving the UAE President at the Parliament Airport in the national capital. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan has touched down in Delhi for a very brief visit, but a significant one at that. We're just going to put out pictures. Those pictures are on your screens right now of Prime Minister Modi welcoming the UAE President to the national capital. There's another picture also that we're putting out on our screens shortly of a hug that's been shared by, in fact, Prime Minister Modi and the UAE President. These are the first pictures on your screens. It's on the invite of the Prime Minister that the UAE President has touched down in Delhi. Very brief visit, but a lot that will be packed in this particular 4-hour-long visit. My colleague Gaurav Sawant is also with me to get us the latest on this. Gaurav, what do you make of the significant visit of the UAE President?
So this is his third visit to India. He's very close to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Both share a great bond. The fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to the airport to receive him, that just shows how close the two are. When 2015 Prime Minister Narendra Modi had travelled to the UAE, it was after a gap of almost 35 long years, 34 years and some months that an Indian Prime Minister went. And look at how strong that relationship is. Remember, you went to Abu Dhabi, didn't you, for that Hindu temple that came up in Abu Dhabi. The trade, $100 billion is the aim. The non-oil trade, by 2030 they want to take it to $100 billion. Point 2, point 3, the defense partnership, the strategic partnership, they want to increase it at a time when there are tensions between Saudi Arabia and UAE over what's happening in Yemen or happening over Somaliland, at a time when India is equally close to the leadership in Saudi Arabia too.
You know, there's been a lot of talk about how ties between India and the Middle East, the UAE, also has transformed in the last few years under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. But talk to us, Gaurav, about this visit and the fact that we're seeing a very short one by the UAE President, 4 hours or something like that. What has made this visit so significant that the UAE President has said, look, no matter what, I have to stop over in Delhi?
So he's coming to Delhi to have an interaction with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Look, the world is going through a turmoil, an intense turmoil right now. You're seeing what's happening in our neighborhood. It's a terror state, Pakistan. You're seeing what's happening in Iran, the tensions between Iran and the United States of America, talk of a regime change. God forbid, in case something happens to the Strait of Hormuz, at a time when the American carrier fleet, the USS Abraham Lincoln from South China Sea, it's coming to the Arabian Sea by the 25th, another couple of days, it'll be there in the Arabian Sea. If there is war, it's not just Iran that will suffer. It's not just the GCC countries that will suffer. The whole world will suffer. Plus, there are tensions that are happening in Yemen, in parts of North Africa, tensions between Saudi Arabia and UAE. So all of this, and India is very close to both. India is very close to MBS and MBZ. So can there be forward movement at a time when Pakistan, Saudi Arabia and Turkey are also looking at a defense partnership? There's some talk of India looking to sell the Akash air defense system that performed extremely well during Operation Sindoor. So there's a lot that's going on. A Tri-Services Guard of Honor at the airport, the Prime Minister receiving him personally, then the interaction, all of this is very significant right now.
And look at those pictures on our screens right now of the cultural welcome for the UAE President. Like Gaurav and I have highlighted, this is a very, very short visit by MBZ in India to the national capital. You these pictures. One point, Gaurav, that you made a mention of is the tensions between UAE and Saudi Arabia. This is a tough one to navigate for India. And keeping in mind the UAE President's visit to Delhi, what will be New Delhi's message to UAE?
Look, India has always been a very strong votary of rules-based order. India does not believe in might is right. And, for India, both Saudi Arabia and UAE are extremely important as far as remember India's G20 presidency, IMEC corridor came up, the concept of IMEC. So it's India, Middle East, Europe economic corridor, in which you need, from India to the UAE is where the sea leg goes. Then from there, the train leg, UAE, Saudi Arabia, goes all the way up to Israel. Then from Israel, it goes into Europe and then ultimately America. All of that is extremely significant, and India would want through dialogue, and that has been India's stated position. Every issue sought out through dialogue and diplomacy and not through use of force.